This innovative attachment easily transforms any standard faucet into a multitasking powerhouse. With its 360-degree swivel feature, you can effortlessly direct the water flow to any desired direction. Introducing the multifunctional Swivel Faucet Attachment, your ultimate solution for kitchen convenience and versatility. This attachment offers multiple spray settings to suit all your needs, from a gentle stream for delicate tasks to a powerful spray for tough cleaning jobs. Say goodbye to water wastage. The built-in water-saving feature reduces water consumption without compromising performance. Installation is a breeze. Simply screw the attachment onto your existing faucet. No additional tools or expertise required. The attachment is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting functionality. No more struggling to wash dishes or clean the sink with limited mobility. The Swivel Faucet Attachment removes those constraints. It conveniently fits most standard faucets, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Not only does it make washing dishes easier, but it also facilitates food preparation, filling pots, and even watering plants. Say hello to multitasking in the kitchen with the multifunctional Swivel Faucet Attachment, the ultimate kitchen gadget.